Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example. And once it's open, press power key and volume down. Just a quick press and you should see this little pop-up right here. And as you can see, there's a couple different options that appear here. So we have a scrollable option and also send, or otherwise a share option. So I'm gonna go over the scroll option because this is probably a little bit of a handy option. So as you can see, it's gonna automatically start scrolling. You can tap on it to stop it from scrolling. And if you're done with it, it went as far as you want it to go, then simply press done and save, and that's it. But you can also extend it yourself by scrolling down. So you could go all the way down if you wanted to. There we go. Click on done, processing, and save. And voila, we just created a super long screenshot. So that is one way you could capture a screenshot. Another way is with the three fingers that you just seen me do. So all you need to do is using three fingers, swipe down on the screen, and it captures that screenshot. It's the same thing as just pressing those keys, just a different way of doing it. Now, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your photo gallery. So let me find that. There we go, gallery. And obviously, and here, and at least in this gallery, the screenshots won't be visible in the photo category, as you can see. So normally you would see all your photos that you captured here, but screenshots aren't considered a photo. They're considered as a screenshot themselves. So it will create a separate folder for those, or you can find it in albums. And then here you should see all of those. So as you can see, there are the three different screenshots I have captured. So that being said, this is how you would capture screenshots on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.